What's going on, guys? Eric here with the TheWiscoGuyz. Just getting ready here this morning. Gonna go over to the shop and see what Aaron's doing. I think he's gonna be working on his truck, doing a little bit of maintenance items like rotating tires and changing oil. Probably gonna be one of the last oil changes he does on that truck, because I think he's got his eye on a different vehicle that's coming out here shortly. So but we'll check in with him and see what's going on, see if he can tell us what he's doing, and just, you know, go over and bullshit with him. So but yeah, let's get her going. Every day too. It's been every day this summer. Oh, grind him if you can't find him. Let's go see what Aaron's doing. Wonder if he got his truck apart yet. Looks like he's got his rims off. Are you getting it, my dude?
Yeah, I'm almost done. Where you been?
Oh. Yeah.
Oil's changed. Gotta put one more tire on.
Oh, jeez. Slacking I am. Should I help him put this on real quick?
I double checked them again. They're all at 30 seconds.
Really?
Must have been measuring off a weir bar on the inside or something.
Right in the middle of the shop. Oh, there's rust in there?
A little bit, so we just.
Uh-oh.
So I just put one on that inner thing with one of these.
That's what we gotta deal with in Wisconsin. You drive these things in the winter.
Don't want your fucking wheel to fall off.
Sometimes the corrosion gets so much on the hub of the axle there. You'll go to tighten your lug nuts down, and it will put resistance on that, and then your lug nuts might even back off and then get loose and continuously get loose, and the rim just doesn't sit right on there, and then all of a sudden, boom, rim falls off, and then you got some issues.
You got some issues. You're not gonna let that happen. I've never done it before, so I figured, yeah, probably after 34,000 it's time to do it.
Yeah, get them cleaned up.
Yeah.
I can't believe you're gonna get rid of this truck with how much work you've put into it.
Yep, done with it.
You're not telling what you're getting.
No, they can be a surprise.
When'd you buy this? Early 15?
March 15.
March of 15. Bought it as a leftover. It's a Ford F-150 2014 extended cab STX package with a sport appearance package, 4x4. And Aaron made it look pretty much like an FX4 of those years. So he did the all the badges in that black and red, and then color matched mirror caps. The wheels he bought right from Ford, and then did the headlights and taillights. He did have the just regular halogen headlights, but then he said, nope, I gotta have the projectors. So he went and got some projectors for it, and then did the bug deflector in the front, which I think sets off that front end too. So, and then he did what brand are these, Aaron? Morimoto LED fog lights, which these things are actually pretty nice. I like these. They got that dark housing to them, so but when he turns them on, they're LED and they actually look really nice. What else did you do to this truck? Tonneau cover. He did a spray and bed liner. He sprayed it himself in-house here. So did that. Oh, that's right. He did all kickers stereo system.
It's got 10-inch kicker sub, and all door speakers are kicker, and 2 kicker amps with it too. One for the sub and one for the door speakers.
And then he tinted the windows too. I think you see, like in one of our first videos, you can see him attempting to do it. I'll put it in the link. I'll put that in the link right here. And yeah, Aaron's got a little bit better since then. I think that was his first attempt at tinting windows. So with this STX Sport package, you get a different style interior. You get a full center console with the bucket seats. And what else?
Black seats.
Black seats.
The other ones are just like that gray.
Okay. That's with the sport package. You get the carpet, but it's a little different. You like that center console, right?
Yeah, it's way nicer than a jump seat.
Yeah. You're gonna put it up for sale, right?
Yep.
It's gonna be for sale. If someone wants to buy it.
Yep.
How much?
28 grand.
It's only got 34,000 on it, right? And he babied this thing. I bet you probably haven't even floored it more than 10 times in this thing, I bet.
Probably around there, yeah.
Yeah. So in 34,000 miles, he probably hasn't put it to the board more than 10 times. So, and twice of them, 2 of them were racing me.
Yep.
So,
yeah, exactly.
But he takes care of this truck. This truck is, I mean, everybody that I talk to, they're like, how does he keep that truck so clean? You know. So just a little overview of what he's doing, but he's got something else in mind later down the road here. Something brand new.
Let's just say I wouldn't have bought an F-150 if I didn't have to.
So that's a little hint. We'll just, can I at least tell the brand?
Yeah.
It's gonna be a Ford, but it's gonna be a new Ford. So he's pretty psyched about it. He's up on all the new. Everything new about this new vehicle, he's up to date on. So, but yeah, if anybody wants to buy it, let him know. He'll be for sale around what, January, February?
Yeah.
So, who uses torque sticks nowadays?
Nobody.
Just kidding. Always use a torque stick when you're doing stuff like this. Check it with your torque wrench, but. Dunzo.
That's it.
And then one more thing he did do is dual exhaust, but he's got the factory muffler on it because he was being a pussy. And he just didn't want to allow it. He didn't want to get in trouble, but he did have a, what was it, a MBRP? No. AFE, which was a side exit, and he got in trouble. So, so he went with this setup because he likes the dual exhaust look, but sound-wise, it's just the same as what it would be stock.
Yeah, there's a little more drone in stock.
A little bit, eh? Yeah. I suppose because it's going fully through the box, too. Yeah. So, well, yeah, this is a pretty nice truck. I always look at it and go, Jesus Christ, this is a nice truck.
Buy it up.
Right. Buy her up, he says.
Well, it could be yours.
For the low price of $28,000. I guarantee you, this is probably going to be one of the cleanest ones you've seen. So.
Yep, late years, so.
Yeah. Last year, this body style. Oh, I never did say it. It's got a 5-liter in it too. So it's got. Color is race red too. That's the color on this, but yeah, this truck is really nice.
$3 a quart for full synthetic. It's the same thing, just 2 different bottles here.
Who bottles it? Does it say?
It doesn't say.
Usually they say on the bottom. W-O. What does it say? W3B? W-O-3B?
Whatever that is. I think it's like Warren Oil Products or something.
Well, this is pretty good stuff though, right?
Yeah, they sell this to all the counties and people around here, and they run it in all their cop cars and stuff.
So.
They said the only reason he has 520 full synthetic is for the cop cars.
Really?
So this is what gets run in the cop cars.
Okay. And they probably run theirs till like 7,000. Well, they are. You know how cop cars are, idling all the time and shit. Because you were doing Ford synthetic.
Yep, that's too expensive.
That's just, it's double the price. So
$30 for 8 quarts and a filter versus 65 for 8 quarts and a filter. 39. 174.
get the old rod knock in her.
Yeah.
Dot, 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 dot.
Well, knock, knock, who's there?
Uh-oh. Knock, knock. Who's there? Rod. Rod who? Piston Rod. You gonna wash her up?
May as well.
You're gonna fire this beast up. It's not that loud. Just factory. Whoa. Easy on the skinny pedal. Easy on the skinny pedal there.
You like that?
I like that. Me and Aaron are gonna go over to the airport and then we're gonna film some exhaust videos, which you'll see later this weekend, probably Sunday, Monday. We're gonna go film at an undisclosed location. Just got back from Mexico. How'd that go?
That was fun.
It was fun. So we just got back at the garage. Me and Aaron did a little filming today. Did a few exhaust videos, so just watch out for them then. A couple people were asking how the Focus sounded, and I did one on the Firebird too as well, because if people ask, then it's there. Yeah. So, but yeah, other than that, a pretty good day.
Yep.
You got your oil changed?
Yep, oil change, tires rotated. We got some exhaust videos.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
So like I said, those videos will be out probably later this weekend. But yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment for Aaron, and smash the like button. Thanks, guys.
See ya.
Thanks for watching.